Hello my dear students, in the last video we studied about the estimation of numbers. Today we are going to study about the estimation of fraction. How we can do the estimation of fraction. So there are very simple way how you can do the estimation of fraction. So the estimation of closeness of a fraction. To convert a fraction to the equivalent fraction, we have to first convert the fraction to equivalent number. Then we have to find the difference so that we can conclude the closeness of a fraction of one fraction to another fraction. Now today we have certain example to make it clear that how the estimation of a fraction can be done. So for example, here it is given estimate if 5 by 12 is closer to 1 by 4 or 1 by 2. So to which it is closer. So what we have to do first, 5 by 12 is a fraction and it is a proper fraction. 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 is a proper fraction, but it is not an equivalent fraction because 5 by 12 is not equivalent to 1 by 4 or neither it is equal to 1 by 2. So fraction to be estimated is fraction to be estimated is 5 by 12. Since the fraction, in this fraction you have the denominator 12. So you have to make in this two fraction the denominator should be 12. That is, we have to make it equivalent. 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 you have to make it equivalent to 5 by 12. Since the denominator is 12. In which fraction? 5 by 12. So we will find the equivalent of fraction. Which fraction? 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So we have to find the equivalent of the fraction 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 by making the denominator as 12. So how you will make the denominator as 12? 1 by 4. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 4 into 3 and 1 into 3 is equal to, the lower denominator will be 12. So for 1 by 4 the equivalent fraction will be 3 by 2. So in likewise we have to make 1 by 2 also. How will make? 1 by 2 into how much is 12? 6 into 2 is 12. So into 6 and up also you have to multiply by 6. So 6 by 12. So now it is equivalent. Now the fraction is equivalent to the fraction that is 5 by 12. And we have to estimate that which one is closer, 1 by 4 is closer or 1 by 2 is closer. So what we have to do, you can make a diagram. You can make a diagram and make it a fraction. 12 parts. Now this is 12 parts. So how much you have to shade in the first one? If you have to shade in the first one, you have to shade 5 by 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and rest 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 you have to leave it. Now in the next one, how much you have to shade? 3 by 12. So you have to make total 12 parts. 12 equal parts, and you have to shade 3 out of 12 parts. So 3 out of 12. The rest 9 is there. 9 is there. Now in the last one it is 6 by 12, means half you have to shade. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will take 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 6 by 12. So if you will closely observe all the three, so it is only 1 place difference from 6 by 12 and 2 place difference from 3 by 12. So which one is closer? So you can also differentiate between the two. That is 6 by 12 minus 5 by 12 is equal to 1 by 12. And 5 by 12 minus 3 by 12 is 2 by 12. So this is more closer. This is more closer to 5 by 12. So this is more closer to 5 by 12. So 6 by 12 is more closer to 5 by 12. So 5 by 12 is more close to which one? 1 by 2, then 1 by 4. So this will be the answer. So in this case, if you have to estimate, then 5 by 12 is more close to 1 by 2 rather than 1 by 4. So we have one more example in this. 5 by 8 is close to 1 by 2 or 3 by 4. They say the number 5 by 8 is more close to which fraction? The fraction 1 by 2 or 3 by 4. So the fraction to be estimated is fraction to be estimated is 5 by 8. So what we have to do? Since the denominator is how much? Since the denominator is 8 in 5 by 8. So we have to find the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. So equivalent fraction is to be found for 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. So how you will do? We'll see. We'll take 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So we have to equalize the denominator. So 2 into 4 is 8. So 1 by 2 into 4 and upper side also the same, 4 by 8. Now the second fraction is 3 by 4. How you will equalize? 4 into 2 is 8. So 3 into 2 is also 6 by 8. So 6 by 8. So which one is more closer to 5 by 8? 6 by 8 or 4 by 8? Which one is more closer to 5 by 8? 6 by 8 or 4 by 8? I think both are equivalent. So in this case, the degree of closeness of both the fraction is same. The degree of closeness of both the fraction, if you will see, is same. How we will find out the degree of closeness? 6 by 8 minus estimated fraction is 5 by 8, that is 1 by 8. And also in the other case, 5 by 8 minus 4 by 8 is also 1 by 8. So the degree of closeness is same. The degree of closeness is same for both the fraction. So 5 by 8 is equidistance from 6 by 8 and 4 by 8. So hence 5 by 8 is equidistance from 1 by 2 and 3 by 4, which is the original fraction. So it is equidistance from both the fraction. So by this way you can find the estimation of the fraction. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe it. for more videos. Thank you.